Hi, so this is the Santeria solo. Play through it first, and we'll cover the finer points. So. Okay, so chord by chord, we start off with the E major, and this is the first lick. That's E major pentatonic, so it's the 7th fret of the A, 9, slide up to 11, all on the A, and then 9, 11 on the D, and then 9 on the G. So, and then a whole step bend at the 11th, and let it go, and settle on that 9 again. Okay, then it shifts to the G sharp major. So we've ended here at the 9th fret of the G. We just come down a half step, and then hit it again and slide down to 6, and then with the ring finger up to 8 and half step bend and release. So this, sorry. Okay, then it goes to the C sharp minor, and we play this. Okay, so we've ended here with our bend at the 8th fret of the G. We slide the ring finger down to 6 of the G, play, and play it again, pull off to 4, and then to the 6 of the D, and then back up to the 4 of the G. Okay, now I'm at the 4th fret of the G now with my index finger. I'm going to roll it down to the 4th fret of the D, and I'm going to pull and release quickly and try and get as close to a whole step bend as I can, or just kind of a little bluesy thing. Okay, so, and then slide down to the 2nd fret. So, okay, and then I'm going to play a similar pattern from here. So I'm at the 2nd fret of the D, and then 3rd finger to the 4th fret, pull off to the 2nd, 4th fret of the A, 2nd fret of the D, and then back down to the 4th fret of the A. Okay, and then when he hits the B, I'm going to play this little kind of chromatic thing. So I'm starting at the 2nd fret of the E string, and I'm just going 2, 3, 4, and that's all hammer-ons. So using my left hand fingers to sound the notes. So I do 2, 3, 4 on the E, and then 2, 3, 4 on the A. And then I come up here to the 4th fret of the D and go 4, 5, 6. And then on the G I actually go 4, 6, and then my middle finger hits the 5th fret of the B. So the whole thing together. Okay, now we're back around to the E again, and we're going to play this very boxy pentatonic thing. Okay, so here's the first lick. Okay, so I'll break that down. So I'm bending here at the 12th fret of the B, up a whole step, and that's actually the same note as the 9th fret of the E. So I bend, and then I kind of release, mute that and hit this one, and you get this effect. Okay, so I do that, and then I come back down 12th fret of the B, and then the 9th fret of the B. So, okay, and then ring finger to the 11th fret of the G, and I kind of do, you know, it doesn't have to be a whole step bend. It's kind of half step, bluesy again. So I bend it, release it, and then settle on the 9. So all together. Okay, and then I have this little lick down here. Okay, and the way that works is I've settled on the ninth of the G. Now my ring finger comes down to the 11th of D. And I'm going to go 11, pull off to 9, 11 of A. So I'm basically going to go 11, 9, 11, 9. Okay, but I'm going to continue back up. So 11, 9, 11, 9, 11. And then 9 of the D. And then 9 of the A. And then 7 of the A. So very slowly. Okay. Okay, so okay, and then that's when it comes back to the G sharp major. So I've ended here. My third finger is gonna come up to the 11th fret, and I'm gonna alternate between that and the 10th fret of the D. Okay, so and then we hit the C sharp minor, and now I'm gonna put my pinky at the 12th fret of the B, ring finger at the 11th fret of the G. And if I leave my pinky where it is but bend the 11th fret, kind of country-esque, but okay. So I'm going to start off with that, and that's a whole step bend, and then I'm going to let that go and actually bar my index finger across the 9, and I'm just going to play the 9th fret of the top 3 strings. Okay, so, and then again, and then once more and release it. Okay. And then finally we're in the home stretch. So 11th fret of the G, bend and release, 9, so bend, release, 9, 11, and then 9, 11, 9. Okay, so I know that's hopefully not too long, but hopefully it makes sense, and hopefully that can get you learning the solo. So good luck. I'll talk to you later.